In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on your HP laptop. So if you're trying to connect one of your Bluetooth devices and the Bluetooth is just not working, then the first thing we're going to do is open up the Start menu, search for Settings, and click on the Settings window. Click on Bluetooth and Devices in the left-hand navigation, and first of all, just make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and enabled. Now, if you don't have this option or you can't click this option, then don't worry, as I'm going to show you a solution for this in just a second. So what we can do from here is click on Add Device, click on Bluetooth, and as long as the Bluetooth is turned on your other device, then it should be detected in this window here. Now, if that's still not working, then what we're going to do is head over to the Start menu, search for Services, and click on the Services window. Scroll all the way down this list until you see these Bluetooth services. Now, there should be 3 different ones that you should be able to see down here. And what we're going to do is just double click on each of these Bluetooth services, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then press Apply and OK. Once you've done that, you also want to double click on it again. Make sure the service status is set to running. So if the service status is stopped, then you can always click on this Start button to go and resume the service. Then we're going to press Apply and OK. And you're also going to do the same for these 2 as well. So I'm just going to double click on this second Bluetooth support service, change the startup type to automatic, and press Apply and OK. Then we're going to double click on this third one in the list. And for the startup type, you can either have this set to manual or automatic. And once again, go and press Apply and OK. Now you can close out of this window and check to see if that's fixed your Bluetooth issue. If it's still not working, come over to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, and then click on the Device Manager window. Click on the drop down arrow next to Bluetooth, and you need to locate this Intel wireless Bluetooth, and we're going to right click on it, click on Update Driver, and press Search automatically for drivers. Now once you've done that, click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and if there are any pending updates on your computer, then you'll just need to go and install these now. Once you've done that, we're going to scroll down the list and click on Advanced Options, scroll down and click on Optional Updates, and if you see any updates here relating to Bluetooth, then you just want to go and install these now. Now once you've followed all of these steps, your Bluetooth should now be working on your HP laptop. Let me know in the comments if this did or didn't work for you, and I'll see you in the next one.